Guys, I'm here with July's Facetory unboxing. It was my birthday this month, so I'm super excited to share with you this month's pack. So let's get started. And if you're not familiar with Facetory, they are a sheet mask subscription service. They have so many great new products, so look down in the description box below, or I'll leave a link so you can go to their website so you can subscribe and start getting sheet masks every month to you. They have a Forever Fresh kit, and they have a 7 Lux kit as well, where you get 7 sheet masks, all different brands and varieties that work so amazing. Sheet masks are superb skincare for your skin. And yeah, let's just get into it. They always come with a cute little postcard for you, kind of to get a vibe of what the theme is for the month. And it says, "You had me at aloha." She's drinking a little coconut drink. So cute. I love this. I like to send these out to my friends and stuff like that. The card to describe all the masks to you, what their benefits are, how to use them, the retail prices. It also tells you a little bit about of the month's theme, and how to sheet mask if you've never used a sheet mask before. You know, it has step 1, step 2, step 3, if you're not familiar with how to use them or what to do. So I'm just going to use the card and go through and describe them to you guys. And yeah, this month it says, "You had me at aloha. Take a break and give your skin a treat with our Forever Fresh kit." This month is all about hydrating, moisturizing, and calming the skin during the hot summer months. The first one, I'm so excited because it looks just amazing. Have you ever had a blue Hawaiian drink? They're really good. It says Cocktail Blue Hawaii. That drink just looks heavenly right now. It says Puclair Cocktail Blue Hawaii Mask. Made to provide exhausted skin with the nourishment it needs, this hydrating and calming sheet mask will make your skin feel like you're on a relaxing vacation. It retails for $3. It says, "Why we love it. This is a go-to sheet mask when your skin feels super drained. This mask brightens your skin with a burst of vitamin C. Pineapple extract helps get rid of dead skin cells while preventing blemishes and sun damage. So when you've been out in the sun for a long time, the lemon extract works to make your skin glow like there's no tomorrow. These ingredients contain lots of antioxidants. Fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots will become a thing of the past." And it says to use it after a long day at the beach or before a big mask from El Molu. Day Nature Mask Energizing Day. A brightening, nourishing, and hydrating daily sheet mask that will have your skin feeling refreshed and ready for the hot summer days. It retails for $2.50. Why we love it. This sheet mask is pure bliss. It helped energize skin with vitamin C and other awesome antioxidant ingredients. Acerola cherry helped to calm blemishes with its astringent properties, and royal jelly extract helps to heal and moisturize skin. Oh, and it's super cooling. So it's great for the morning time when you want to wake up your skin and perk it up. It calms your skin, it cools it down. And it says to use it, like I said, in the morning when you need a boost and to wake you up and get you ready to soak up the sun. So the third one, and look how yummy that is. I love mangoes. They're so good. Mangoes are delicious. This says it is called the Farm Stay Real Mango Essence Mask. Retails for $2.50 as well. Brighten up your complexion with this mango sheet mask. It's the perfect mask for a boost of hydration to help refresh your skin. When we tried this mask, we thought we were in paradise. It smells sweet. The extract lingers after you use the mask, and while you're using it, you can smell the mango. And I love, like, when you leave the spa and you just smell good because it's coming out of your pores. So I think this is one of those type of facial treatments, definitely. Um, leaves a dewy, bright complexion. You can use it at night or in the morning when you want your skin to have an extra boost of radiance. Go ahead and outshine everyone. You got it. The last one is called the MediHeal NMF Hydrating Mask. It looks so interesting, like you're in the lab. It says, "Is your skin tired after a long day of strolling along the park and basking in the sun? This sheet mask provides calming and healing properties that will boost the moisture of your skin, leaving it plump, dewy, and healthy. All of those three things make me excited because I have oily skin, but oily skin means your skin's, overreacting. So that's how dry our skin is. That's why it's oily, because it's like, oh no, I gotta overdo it, and put in more oil. So this is really good for oily skin people. And plus, I like to walk the trails and be out in the sun too. But I also know that that starts to wither your skin down and make you look tired and get spots. So we don't want none of that. It says we are obsessed with the amazing skin healing ingredients in this mask. It has witch hazel water, which is good for inflammation, irritation, acne, while protecting your skin from damage and infection. In addition, our skin was left super moisturized, and it has trehalose, which works to moisturize by matching the natural moisturizing factor, and that's what NMF stands for, natural moisturizing factor. um, that is found in the outermost layer of your skin. So pretty much our skin was thanking us for the awesome treatment. It's $2.50, and it says to use it at night best, like if you've been in the sun all day, for a good nighttime treatment. I have two different codes. One for the 7 Lux plan where you can get 20% off if you're a first time customer. And I have one for 15% off your first Lux Plus, which is a $160 value for only $42.46. And you get all these masks in this booklet here, which is like 7 masks, luxury masks that are going to have you looking amazing. Trust me when I say. Thank you for watching, you guys. I love you.